Hey, deal makers, welcome to the show where it's all about financial freedom with real estate. Let's do this. So AI is taking over real estate, and it is so powerful right now, and a lot of people really don't use it to the fullest. And I don't even use it to the fullest, but I've started using it in a very powerful way as more of an advisor. So imagine you have literally a coach or mentor, an advisor. You have access to someone who basically knows almost everything, right? It's a lot of experience. And how do you leverage that? And a lot of us, we really use chat to summarize, meetings or longer emails or articles so that, we have less reading to do. It helps us to compose emails, and that's pretty cool. But chat is very, very powerful in assuming more of an advisory role. So what I'm going to do here in today's episode is kind of walk you through a series of prompts using chat that get progressively better and more productive. So we're going to start over just chat. Hey, by the way, chat, how do I make $10,000 a month in real estate, and see what it comes back with, and see if we can use that as a way to kind of get to the outcome that is right for us. Because, we say, well, multifamily syndication is right for everyone, but is it? And so it really depends on your situation as well. And so using these series of prompts and the system I'm going to give you called the CRIT method, C-R-I-T, is really going to be a powerful way for you to chat more as an advisor, not just for real estate investing. That's what we're going to do here in this episode, but just in general. Every time you want advice on something, use the CRIT method. It's a very, very powerful way to get to a more of a response that is right for you and is not as generic as well. So we're going to get to that and really kind of figure out how do we use chat to make us a better real estate investor. So let's get into it right now. Are some key takeaways here, big lessons here, to make sure that you're using the right prompts. Don't use generic prompts, because at the end of the day, they're gonna get you keep you stuck, right? If chat gives me 6 different real estate strategies, confused mind says no, right? So that's not very, very helpful as well. And your prompt really is the most important thing. That's why there's like high paid jobs around these AI prompt engineers, and it's so important, right? So be familiar with kind of what you want, like what do you want, what your goals are, what your timeline, what your resources are, your current experience, and then really ask prompt chat to interview you about these things. And if you allow more than 3 questions, up to 5, one at a time. And I think invariable, when you provide chat with these requirements, hey, I want to make $10,000 per month and through real estate, but I want to do it in 1 to 2 years. What's the best option, right? It's I don't care how you prompt it. It's always going to go back into syndications, right? Because the whole idea of raising capital to buy $1 million plus properties, that's where the power is. That's the power of syndications. And one things we didn't talk about in the series that didn't really come up is acquisition fees. I think that's a super important aspect. It's not so much the passive income. I think that's really cool. But the reason that so many people can quit their job after just one deal is the acquisition fee, right? So if you follow this process through the prompts and you find a $4 million deal and you partner with a capital raiser who brings in $1 million, and you split it, let's say 50-50, that $4 million deal is going to generate a $120,000 acquisition fee for the two of you. That's $60,000 a piece. And it's a game changer, right? So yes, I'm going to make $5,000 a month in that first deal, which is super cool. But what's even more powerful is that acquisition fee, and that really gives me a runway. So let's say I got $10,000 per month that I'm burning. Now I got 60. I got a 6-month runway. Maybe now I'm willing to dip into the other $60,000 I have saved, or maybe even borrow against my 401k or IRA. And so now I'm doing this full time. And now instead of just doing one deal a year, I might be doing 2 or 3 a year, right? So now instead of making $60,000, I'm making $180,000 per year in acquisition fees alone. And so this is really, really powerful vehicle to get there. And this is something that you can do on the side. In fact, 100% of students that work with us do this on your side. The guidance is 5 hours per week, and this really makes us so powerful. Syndications really allows you to, you don't have to do everything yourself. You don't have to do everything yourself. You don't have to know everything yourself. You don't have to have your own resources. It's really a team sport. This is really why I love it so much as well. Now, there's an end, however, to the usefulness of chat. And this is really not because of chat's limitations, but simply just having the knowledge around you is actually not sufficient for you to be successful. And I say that because, years ago, we sold a $2,000 course, and it was an epic course. In fact, we have a newer version of that right now, but I no longer just sell that because just knowledge is not going to make you successful. You can have all the knowledge in the world and you can extract a lot of knowledge from chat. It's still not going to make you successful, right? You're still not going to be in the right community around the right people. You're still not going to have an experienced person, a syndication operator looking over your shoulder, make sure you're not making a mistake. Someone who's going to hold you accountable. Someone who's going to make you walk away from a bad deal that you shouldn't close on. And then you're not going to be in a network that gives you access to capital raisers, or if you're more of a capital raiser, access to deal finders who are getting deal flow, right? So you need all three. You need the right system. Yes, that's very important. You need the right support around you. You also need the right network around you as well. So if you're serious about that, then take a look at us. We have our mentoring program. The best place to go is thefreedompodcast.com, thefreedompodcast.com. You can book a call with us and have a conversation around mentoring. And if you're not quite ready to do that, we have the Empire Builders Playbook. It's a 6-hour course that really walks you through all the way from single-family house investing, all the way through scaling with apartments, analyzing deals, raising capital, networking, all those things as well. So that's all at thefreedompodcast.com. All right, hope you guys were inspired today. Make sure you start using chat more strategically. I will catch you next time.